Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I'm in Seoul and there are so many beautiful places to visit here, but there's so much more that you can experience rather than just visiting the popular places. Being a DIY lover for so many years, I went to some amazing DIY workshops in Seoul and I've never tried these DIYs before. Save this video for your next trip. Let's get started. So the first DIY is actually a recent DIY that I tried. It's making ceramic plate. The workshops here in Seoul are so pretty. So if you guys have watched my videos before, you must have seen that I've done a DIY clay video, but this is completely different. This clay is not an air dry clay and the process was really fun. I tried making Shinchan. So these paints are actually clay paints, and after you're done painting it, they heat it and you get it after like few weeks. The plates turned out so pretty and it looks so good quality. Absolutely loved this DIY workshop. The next DIY is very popular and trendy in Seoul, and it is something that I have never tried before. It's making your own customized perfume. There were like over 22 scents and you can smell each scent or just randomly pick like 6 scents. Step by step mixing all the scents together. The process is really fun and it kind of reminded me like of my chemistry classes. I don't know why. The best part is the final result. I was so happy with the way it turned out. It actually smelled like a luxury perfume. I'm not kidding. I'm still using it and I'm so proud of the way I made this. Plus you get your name customized on it. So next time whenever you're planning to come to Seoul, I'll definitely recommend you guys to try out this DIY. So the next DIY is actually making a customized bag. These bags are again very trendy and very popular in South Korea, in Seoul. The process is super fun. Again, I've never tried making bag. There are different sizes and different styles of bag, lots of different colors yarn, and you can just choose any color you want. I went with this ivory color. You can make either huge handbag or you can go for like a sling bag. I've seen this all over the internet. A lot of people are trying out this DIY, and again I would highly recommend this. Added a small black color heart and yeah, that's it. Looks so pretty and so stylish. I love carrying this whenever I'm going to cafes, and yeah, it's very cute, it's very aesthetic, and it's very convenient at the same time. So the next DIY was actually held my university, and I did include this in my previous vlog. It's a Korean seal or stamp, popularly known as tochang. These stamps have been like an integral part of Korean culture since ancient times. So these stamps are basically with your name or your signature on it. Tracing your name on it and carving using a sharp tool does look simple, but let me tell you, I think this was like the hardest DIY I would say, because I was trying to make something and it didn't turn out exactly how I wanted. But my friends, they made like really beautiful stamps, as you guys can see. Whoa! And this was my friend's stamp, and this was by far like my favorite stamp. I saw this DIY in one of the K-drama and I had to try it. It is this beautiful glass butterfly, and not just butterfly, there are so many options that you can try. My friend, she tried making a whale and it turned out so beautiful. There are different glass shades that you can use, and each and every process is super fun. This was like the coolest DIY that I've tried so far. I have personally never tried such DIYs, melting a wire, and yeah, it was super fun. So my DIY glass butterfly is ready. In Korea, they call it nabi, and yes, just loved it. My friend made a veil which looks so pretty. And yeah, that's all the DIYs that I tried in Seoul, South Korea so far. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next vlog.